with Damian Lotus.
Happy Tuesday, everyone. I am tracking some isolated showers and storms for some parts of the state, but this afternoon it's all about the heat. And then this evening, it's going to be all about the risk of severe weather for northern and northwestern Oklahoma. Let's get you ready for the latest here. We'll start you off with a statewide view of our storm scanner. Showers and storms continuing across northern and northwestern Oklahoma. The heaviest rainfall I'm tracking is now pushing to the east of I-35 here across far northern parts of the state. Nothing is severe this morning, just some brief heavy downpours of rainfall on down the line here across I-35. Now, the farther south you go, the less support we have in the atmosphere for these showers. So we had some pretty good rainfall here between Kingfisher, Cashion, and Guthrie. They're along Highway 33, but I'd say over the last 30 minutes, you can see the radar returns have really come down and substantially weakened over the past 30 minutes. Across western Oklahoma, we have some unorganized rainfall here across far western parts of the state, but some better rainfall is now continuing across far northern and northwestern parts of the state. So yes, as you're heading out the door this morning, even as far south as the Oklahoma City Metro, you could see some sprinkles on the windshield as you're making that drive into work here for this morning. But for Oklahoma City, here's a 2-hour time lapse. Partly cloudy skies here for the Metro. It's warm. It's windy here to kickstart your early Tuesday. Here's a live look at the downtown Oklahoma City skyline. Partly cloudy skies, and yes, look at this. 517 on your early Tuesday. 82 degrees at Will Rogers World Airport. Winds right now are out of the south about 10 to 20 miles an hour. So it is going to be a little bit of a windy start here for your early Tuesday, but it feels like 84 because of the humidity. Temperature-wise right now, we have a mix of 70s and 80s outside. I mean, look at this. 86 right now in Guthrie, and across the rest of the state we have 80s across a majority of central and northern Oklahoma. It's also 86 right now in Stillwater, so a very warm start here for some parts of the state. But as we head into this afternoon, yes, a heat advisory is in effect for all of central, southern, and eastern Oklahoma. Also, a pretty good portion of northern Oklahoma will see heat index values climbing well into the 105 to 110 range. So your out the door forecast here for today, yes, it does look like we will see triple-digit heat once again here for the Oklahoma City Metro, with winds out of the south gusting about 10 to 20 miles an hour for the Metro. So here it is. This afternoon I'm tracking a mix of 90s and widespread, once again, triple-digit temperatures across the Oklahoma City Metro. Now for Will Rogers, I am forecasting 100, but that's for the airport. Across the rest of the Metro, don't be surprised if as you're driving around you see a 101, a 102, or even a 103 on those dashboard thermometers here for the Metro today. Those are the air temperatures. This is what it's actually going to feel like this afternoon. We could see another excessive heat warning in effect for eastern parts of the state because of how hot it is going to feel. And then as we head into this evening, yes, there will be a risk of severe weather primarily across northwestern Oklahoma. Large hail, damaging winds, even an elevated tornado threat will be possible for some parts of the state. And then as we head into the overnight hours, by about sunrise tomorrow morning, we will start to see the thunderstorm chances taper off, and then we'll actually see some clearing across northern Oklahoma for your early Wednesday. Before tonight, overnight lows will be a mix of 60s and 70s. A pretty mild start here for your early Wednesday. But yes, for tonight, here's that chance of showers and storms. A low to moderate to high chance. Pretty good chance of showers and storms across northern Oklahoma as we head into tonight. Before today, I'm tracking cloudy skies. Winds will be out of the south gusting 20 to 30 miles an hour, so it will be a windy forecast here for today. And it does look like, yes, we will see triple-digit temperatures for this afternoon. After that, we'll see some rain chances for the next couple of days. Temperatures dropping into the 90s. That'll feel pretty nice. And speaking of feeling pretty nice, as we head into the weekend, looks like we can see highs in the 80s, but that does come with some pretty good rainfall chances for your Saturday and Sunday. So grab those umbrellas.
How were the movie stars last night?
Yeah.
It was so much fun. I mean, Emily and I got to talk about this with Spencer because that movie influenced a lot of our generation of meteorologists.
Yes.
Because especially for me, being from Oklahoma, we never had movies about Oklahoma until Twister came out. So getting a chance to not only see the movie, but actually be in the movie, yes, it was something I'll definitely never forget.
Dream come true.
Yes.
Yeah,
so
that's
cool.
All right.